Colleges will benefit from this process because it has been a process where we have been inspired. We have been inspired to not only go home and inspire other staff members and members of our teams, but we have been inspired to engage our learners.
So it's been a really good opportunity for FE representatives from nearly all colleges across Wales to get together and have our networking opportunity and look at sort of co-creating opportunities to embed international learning experiences into a new curriculum.
This is the best professional development that I think I've ever experienced. Just taking teachers outside of Wales, outside of the classroom, with a blank canvas and rethinking how they can deliver this curriculum is so exciting.
We've been really active in mobility for about 10 years, but we've never really considered how we develop internationalisation for larger groups of learners. So the learners who come and spend time with NextGen is great, but what we want to look at as well is how we can engage those learners who don't travel abroad.
It will inspire the learners, so they will be producing evidence that uses the latest technologies, and hopefully on some of the visits here they will have witnessed different ways of teaching that give the learners more freedom, which often I think we like to control the learners, and we just need to let them go and believe in them, because they'll do fantastic things.
Following such an inspiring, engaging programme here in Barcelona with NextGen can make our Advanced Skills Back programme more vibrant, and we are now able to take real advantage of an opportunity where we can see our learners engage in their projects on an international scale.
And I think there is nothing more valuable than using the things that we've learned here to actually embed into our teaching practice for the benefit of everyday learners that we see in our institutions.
What I'd really like to see now is for the staff who've been here this week to go back to their colleges, talk to their international departments and pilot some learner mobilities.